The 2024 Ford Kuga combines sleek design with smart functionality, making it your versatile urban partner. Enjoy the quick clear heated windscreen for instant visibility on frosty mornings and a Horsham Category 1 alarm for peace of mind, ensuring both convenience and security in every drive. Step inside to experience the 12.3-inch digital color instrument cluster for intuitive control and partial premium touch Sensico upholstery for enhanced comfort. Call or visit Hendy Ford Horsham today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Ford Kuga. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.